Good. This is a nice night. How are you, everyone? Hope you're doing fine. Today, I want just to take you through the how to set a TradingView platform. We have several guys. They don't know how to do how to set a TradingView platform, and maybe you might ask, what is this TradingView platform? This TradingView is just a platform that it has several tools that can help you to analyze the market. Yeah. So today I want to take you through what is TradingView and how can you go about TradingView and how can you do some settings on TradingView. Yeah. So a lesson on TradingView. Um, what is this TradingView? So first of all, you need to go to your website and first of all, like this is my PC. You need to open a new tab. Like this one is another tab. You can open several tabs if you want, but this is just a single tab that I'm using to open a TradingView. As you see on my panel here down, I have a TradingView. I can click on it, but because of beginners classes and lesson, I'll just go and type TradingView. Yeah, how to use TradingView, and then I'll go to TradingView. So that is TradingView. Just I need to go to the button and search TradingView. So after searching TradingView, it will load. After loading, how? So this is the platform. We call it TradingView. And as you see on a TradingView, if your PC it has a low speed, you need to wait it to load. But TradingView is just a popular online platform designed for traders and investors. And you'll get that this TradingView it offers a comprehensive charts. You have charts tools, real-time market data, technical analysis, and social network components for discussing trading ideas, key features of TradingView. You can get them after maybe signing up. So after getting this TradingView, you need to upgrade. If you want to upgrade to premium, you can try it for free for 30 days. But if you have not signed up, make sure you signed up from this place here. You signed up. After signing up, now you can access the tool. But already I've just logged in. So on TradingView, as you see, this is our platform, and TradingView, you can see you have market summary, indices, stocks, blah blah blah, crypto, forex, bonds, everything on the platform. And if you scroll it down, you'll get that you can community ideas, how people they have analyzed their tradings and they have posted on the TradingView. And if you scroll down and see indicators and strategies, yeah, and from there, slow down, you can find all the tools that you want on TradingView. Yeah, we have there, see others that have used deltas to analyze the market, community trends. So you can join also this community and see how you can also learn from them. And also this TradingView, it has some brokers that you can join and learn also. Okay, now it is 23:50. That is midnight. I say night, Kenyan time, for those who are watching us from outside Kenya. So this is a night hour. I decided at least I had some students requesting to show them how to go and maybe study this, how to open and sign up on TradingView. So I've decided just to show up this video so that you can learn also how to use this TradingView. So if you want anything, maybe to analyze the market, blah blah blah, to learn tools, different tools from the TradingView, you can just go down and learn whatever you want. For example, here an easy way we have here tool whereby you have market summary. You can click on that, it will give you market summary. And if you go down also, it will give you again, we have US stocks, it will bring there world stocks, we have crypto features, and we have forex, we have government bonds, and everything if you want to search on the platform. And here up also we have communities. If you want to join, we have markets, any market that you want to review, you go there. You have news, if you want to know world news, analysis, top providers. Also we have brokers and students. Sometimes you need to understand the word broker. These are just platforms that offer you that opportunity to start trading. Okay, and you have more knowledge based, or if you want to download blah blah blah. So I'm going to we have here a search button here. If you want to search anything from the market, you come here on the search bar. After going to the search bar, you click on that, it will pop up something like this one, a panel, this way panel. And that symbol, maybe you can type your favorite currency. And currency, we have here gold, you have USD JPY, you have GBP JPY, we have Euro USD, we have USD CAD, and Euro USD also. So, and the one that you see on the, I don't know, let me say on your right hand, for example, see overview, we have these are like, for the first one is called Owanda, that is broker. Owanda is a broker that provides or provides you provides the market for you to access those currency pair. Yeah, so we have different brokers that are being highlighted here. But these TradingView, you need to know that they don't allow, like for us in Kenya, to link our platform must be those advanced, and those platforms that maybe they don't use M-Pesa Pay Kenya. Yeah, so you get these another new platform whereby you need you do different things. Sorry for that, guys. Let me just taking a call. So what is the importance of this TradingView? Yeah, what is the importance of this TradingView? You'll get that the TradingView is important for traders and investors, I've said earlier. But this one, comprehensive charting tools, you can get them there. Then another thing is technical analysis and indicators that you'll get on the platform. You'll get cross-platform accessibility. Then you'll get alert system. We have back testing and strategy testing, education resources and community. You'll get them on the platform. Then paper tradings. Then also you can get multiple access. You can get multiple asset platforms. Yeah, you can get them in the market. And overall, maybe if before I finalize, I can say that TradingView wide range is a wide range of tools, analyzing capability and community to support community that support make it an invaluable resource for traders looking to gain in the market. So you get that on this platform you can access everything. So for me, I'll just open gold. I'll go and launch. Just take it to launch. Click on launch. After clicking on launch, guys, after clicking on launch, for example, this is my PC, but it's loading slowly, but worry less about it. So after clicking on launch, this is your chart, this is your panel. But remember, this one I've set everything. Sorry for that. I've set everything. Maybe you can see it is in dark. Yeah, in dark color. But we want to change it from to its original color. Yeah. First of all, if you want to change it from its original color, you'll have white color. So allow me to remove all these analyses in the market. before then we start doing step by step. And also I'll show you how to add um, how to add just a minute. Let me just remove these tools, then we remain with the so just remove it. We remove these okay, as you see, this is our chart is very clean. No 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 indicators. So as we have opened this chart, as you see, it is white in color. It is white in color, but we need it to be maybe dark in color. First of all, you need to change it. For example, for my side, on my side, I want to change it to black color. In black, or not black, dark color, at least maybe for clarity. So for example, here I just go to my you need to have your profile like this one. This is my profile, but if you click on the profile, it will bring your name, blah blah blah. But also this platform TradingView, after opening it, it has its own color. So you'll come here on the color, then click on it. After clicking on color, because here it has your name, blah, home, what news, then you have here a dark theme. So you tap on it. Then after tapping on it, it will automatically change to dark color. At least now you can see it very clearly. Then after that, here up, you can concentrate here up, guys. Now here I will use these drawing tools so that you can see it very well. Yeah, I can use these drawing tools so that you can see them very well. Then also I'll show you how you can importance of these drawing tools. Okay, so for example, I'm using rectangle, and I'll just highlight here up from this level. Yeah, just take one. I don't know why it's not drawing it. Just a minute. We just remove it first. So there is one panel we want to concentrate on, and it's this one here up. So up here we have 5M. We have 5M. Sorry for that. That is my mouse having a problem. So you have 5M, and you'll get so many students. They will start questioning, what is this 5M? 5M just stand for just time frame. Yeah, 5M is just time frame. Yeah, 5M is just for time frame. Then from 5M, if you click on 5M, you'll choose which time frame do you want to use. and this time frame it will help you to analyze the market. And if you look it very well, guys, if you see it very well, we have second, 1 second. You can choose 1 second, and from 1 second we have 10 second, blah blah blah, towards downwards. Yeah, we have 5 minutes, you have 10 minutes and 15 minutes. Yeah, for you to use other time frames, you need to do to have a paid or a pro version to access something like 10 minutes. Yeah, but 5 minutes, 15 minutes is enough for you. So this one, it will help you to analyze the market. And time frame, it will help you it will help you to understand in which sometimes which direction during this hour. Importance, first of all, importance of time frame. Yeah, time frame. So you need to know the importance of time frame in the forex market, and the importance this time frame is just essential in forex trading, as they influence trading strategies. So this one also, it helps you to come up with risk management and decision making, and market analyzing and trend identification. Yeah, so it also help you in trend identification. That is time frame. Yeah, it also help you in trend identification. So also time frame, it will help you in risk management. And mtu ataniuliza how does it help in time maybe in risk management. So time frame, after or how volatility a trade appears, a shorter time frame may show price fluctuations more intense. Yeah, while or which can lead to higher risk if not managed correctly. So for example, you are using 1 minute time frame, you'll get that the market it has high volatility than shifting it to 5 minute time frame and 15 time frame. Yeah, so also this time frame help you to have some entries and exit points. Yeah, we are still on the time frame. Yeah, that time frame, it will help you to enter or exit trades. Yeah, so using multiple time frames allows traders to find optimal entries and exit points. Okay, yeah, so we shall be talking about this time frame. How can you come up with this time frame, blah 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 blah. So we are talking about time frame. So we are talking about time frame. So how can it help you to analyze the market? Okay, so first of all, we have talked about risk management, entry and exit points, trade confirmation, and another thing, when we say trade confirmation, you can use multiple trades frames analysis. It will help you to confirm trade setups, which increase accuracy if a trend appears constant or across the 1 hour. So for example, let me just delete this. For example,